Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell about whom to get connected in LinkedIn. So this is a platform where there are many people literally post a lot of openings every day in one field, either IT or non-IT, in finance or in certain fields. So what I have done is I have totally made a post by tagging them in one post. So this post, if you're able to see in this account, which is my account, where I have tagged all the people whoever is trying to help job seekers, or whenever they get free they try to assist job seekers, and some has even reached like 10,000, 20, 30,000, more than 40,000 also they have reached the connection limit. And even if they are commenting on your intro which you have been posted in LinkedIn, if they comment, even it would reach many people, and there are chances where you can get your profile highlighted. Because Naukri it's little different, where based on keywords you can get a interview, but this LinkedIn platform is very different, where you have a good connections of 1,000 or 500 or more than that. It would really help in getting a good amount of post whenever you scroll. So if you are able to see here, I have segregated the two things. One is for BCom background, like for finance related thing, and another is BCA. I have tried to make a column, and even few more people also have tagged, where those people also they try to support or help job seekers whatever best they can across pan India. And some are from different locations, and they are like trying to take care of their domain. If not, they cover multiple domain, either in one city, if not different cities. And here there are even other people which I have tagged in comment box. So some are not aware, I'm just telling you once again, like if you want to tag a person, just put at the rate and add the name, so you will get their profile and it would get tagged. And here if you see in comment box, 1 month back I have even, like, whichever which is pending in the post which I was not able to update, I have even shared it here. So try to check this post, where it would really help many. And one more post also I have one more comment also I have mentioned here additionally. So in case if anyone is from your background, sorry, if anyone is if you are if that particular person is from your background, maybe a engineering or BCom or MBA finance, or if they are posting opening similar to you, so if you follow their page, that is hardly enough, so that all your job search will end soon. And I personally like use this platform in posting since very long time. And it really helped a lot of people, where I have even helped people scheduling an interview, or they have even got selected. And the way of communication, the way of communication, and the way they try to handle the things in their job search, everything gets changed. So I want everyone to share this post, Max, so that it can help a lot of people. Whoever is not in LinkedIn, they can get motivated by seeing this post, and try to check with these people or follow these people. In case if you are trying to give an intro in your post, if anyone is suitable related to you, try to tag them in your post, so that they can get a notification and they can support your post. Or if they are having below 29,500 connections, you can even get connected and ping them. If not, if they are more than 30,000, so try to follow their post. Check their about column if they have mentioned any email ID or phone number, or alternative account, or how to reach them. Or if not, even try to use LinkedIn Premium, where you can try to ping people. The first 1 month will be free trial, and the next month it will be like paid one, which will cost you around 1,600 or 700 rupees per month. So these are the this video which I want to specifically tell about this post. And in case if you want to know about this post, I have reshared it in my second account. People whoever is aware about my second account, they would be able to get it. in case if you are not able to get it, go to this account and try to go to this featured post. So if you click this post, you will get that post whatever I'm telling you, and you will be able to see that post very easily. If not, the last option is you just copy this link in a new tab and paste it, so you'll get in the activity column where I have shared in uh, post post column. I have shared this. So try to have a check on this for sure. And in case if you are looking for job, try to make sure you are uh, sharing this video to anyone. It can even help any job seekers from which who are struggling for a job, or who is not aware about how to approach a HR or whom to contact. Everything is being shared here. Like I am covering max to max openings. So in case if you are not able to get a proper job in Naukri, at least this LinkedIn platform also will help, and you will get to know like what is the hiring, how the market is. And here you have an option activity where you can see that other post which I have liked or commented. If you want to see my post specifically, you just try to click this post column, so that you will get to know whatever job post I have shared in the last 3 months or 6 months or 7 months, like that. So thank you all. So do subscribe and share my video to your friends and colleague circle, and as it would help a lot of people. And if you have any comments, if you have any feedback about this particular video, just let me know in comments box. Or if not, if you want to make any more video session related to any topics, even you can let me know on comment box. Or if you are connected with me, you can ping me in LinkedIn chat. Thank you all.